You already love Jamaican talent. You might just not realize how much of it comes from the tiny islands. Let me give you the proof. Start with the obvious one, Usain Bolt. Not just a great sprinter, the fastest human being who has ever been recorded. And he's not a one-off. Jamaica produces world-beating sprinters at a rate that makes no statistical sense for a country of its size. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, one of the greatest female sprinters of all time. A tiny powerhouse from Kingston with a row of Olympic and world golds. Jamaica doesn't just enter the race, Jamaica expects to win it. Then there's Bob Marley, whose voice carried an entire culture across the world. And Garvey, the thinker whose ideas shaped Black pride and Pan-Africanism on every continent. And the reach keeps going through the diaspora. Grace Jones, the supermodel and the music icon. Generations of athletes, artists and performers with Jamaican blood proudly running through everything they make. Think about the maths for a moment. Under 3 million people producing the fastest humans alive, one of the most important musicians in history, and ideas that moved the world. No country that small should carry that much weight. Jamaica does. When you wear Jamaica, you are wearing all of that. The Jamaican mixed with tea is linked below. And tell me in the comments, who's the Jamaican that makes you most proud?